Search and rescue operations continue in Indonesia's West Sumatra province on Monday after deadly flash floods and mudslides. Dozens were killed over the weekend, authorities said, while rescuers carried on searching for missing people. 400 personnel, including rescuers, police, and military, have been deployed, helped by at least 8 excavators and drones. Torrential rain on Saturday evening triggered floods, landslides, and cold lava flow in 3 districts in the province. The cold lava flow is a mud-like mixture of volcanic ash, rock debris, and water. It came from Mount Merapi, one of Sumatra's most active volcanoes. In December, more than 20 people were killed after Merapi erupted. A series of eruptions has followed since. In Agam district, over 150 people were evacuated to nearby schools.
The flooding was sudden and obviously the river became blocked, which resulted in the flow of water everywhere. It was out of control.
Almost 200 houses were damaged in the floods, and a large area of land, including rice fields, were affected, according to the National Disaster and Management Agency, BNPB.